Toys World vlog. So welcome. I'm glad that you're here. It's a good week. I'm off to California in the back end of the week, and it was a really exhausting teaching trip for some reason. I'm not sure why. But so I didn't take a lot of video, but it's still a good week nonetheless. So come on in. So I just finished the last of the glazing of the pottery. We had one more kiln explosion item, which was sad, but it also got all over everything, which kind of sucked. But this is the one item I'm bringing home with me. It is a completely wonky, amazing, what a cup. So we're here at the house for problem 7094. The hits just keep coming. Foundation bowing, that needs to be fixed. We have tree roots running through the plumbing and through the sewer line, so that all needs to be replaced. We've got clay, which is what they're digging down. There's an entire area where water keeps looping back into the basement. You guys, welcome to home ownership. Yay! So I'm here in Boston for a meeting, and the lights are beautiful on the common. Feels like Christmas. Arrived here in San Diego. I drove about 45 minutes to my hotel, and I travel enough that I finally have hotel status, and so they upgraded me to a suite. So I have a bedroom with a ginormous bed, and I have like a little, curved couch office area, and a second TV because one was not enough. So how nice. So I'm here in my hotel room, and it's like 8 o'clock here, and I'm so tired. Time change, and I just didn't sleep a lot before an early flight. But anyway, I'm busy, let's say, reviewing my notes for class tomorrow to make sure I have everything. I'm nervous. I'm always nervous when I teach. This is a new class. I carved a stamp tonight. The carved December prompt was circles, and so this stamp actually makes this pattern, which is very cool, so I'm really pleased with that. I'm thinking ahead till tomorrow. I find that if I let it percolate a little bit, I come up with better designs. So right now, the prompt for tomorrow is magpie, and so I'm just thinking about whether I would rather carve like an actual bird or whether like a diamond, because magpies are attracted to shiny things. Or, I don't know, I'm gonna have to think about it. So, I was not a very good vlogger today. It was kind of go non-stop. So I had just under 30 students in my ScanNCut class today, and they had all sorts of models of ScanNCut, from a ScanNCut 100, to a DX 225, to 250, 350, 650, so it was interesting to teach it because I had to basically teach everything twice. I had two ScanNCuts in front of me, and I would teach how to do it on the DX, how to do it on the other, because the interfaces are very different. And then just so many questions that people had about things that weren't related to what we were making, and it was crazy pants. I mean, I had fun, but am I tired? So I'm ready for tomorrow, which begins the 2-day odyssey of ScanNCut, where every single student in class is going to be getting a brand new DX in class. So they're unboxing them in class, which I think is going to be really kind of fun and interesting. So my favorite part of class was meeting people, because I just, I make all these videos by myself in my house, and I always wonder if people actually watch them. So it's awesome when people show up and they're like, oh, I love your videos. And I think the best thing that anybody said after class today was this one woman said to me, she said, she feels like the thing she's taking away is that there's always a workaround. Like when things don't work out with the ScanNCut, there's always a way to find another way to do it, to fix it. And I was like, oh my gosh, that's a lesson for life. Like if that's the thing you take away from my class, that's so awesome. So that was the best, and now I'm going to sleep forever, or until 6 a.m. tomorrow. So that is a Doctor Who super fan. Check that out. Check out this cool card that JC gave me. It folds flat, and then, oops, you have to have 2 hands. But it pops up. So I carved this stamp, and it has a problem, which is I didn't measure correctly. So even though it looks like it might be square, it's actually slightly rectangle, and so it doesn't print properly. I did a couple test prints somewhere around here. There's a piece of paper. Here it is. There you go. So I did a couple of test prints, and it doesn't print properly because it's rectangle instead of square. So I was like, did I just lose all of the work that I did? No, there's always a solution, but sometimes you have to be willing to destroy something in order to save it. So, craft knife. And this. And you guys, I'm on the road, so I don't have my regular tripod, so I'm just going to have to show you the result. But here is the stamp. And what I'm going to do is I am just cutting the sections that are like the orange away from each other. Let's see if I can talk and do this at the same time and not cut myself. Okay. So now, right, I just have these 2 major parts, and I'm basically going to throw away these little parts. Okay. And I'm just going to carve these down a little bit more, and now I'll just have 2 stamps, and I will work on a new rotating repeat version that actually is square. Why I leave extra time at the airport, so I went to the wrong terminal, so I have been walking like 2 miles, so I'm sweaty, but I'm here on time. it home. Steve got me. I am so glad to be sleeping in my own bed tonight, and I can't wait to take a shower in my own shower in the morning. There's nothing quite like being home. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you next week.